Hi. I'm lost. No, it's not my name. It's just what I'm feeling right now. But, yeah. I lost everything. Hello?
You are mine!
But, boss.
You are mine! Get out of here!
But boss, I have nowhere to go. Please don't do this.
You have to leave before I call the security. Kuya guard!
You have to leave before I use my force against you.
But boss!
No, but ma'am, you have to leave.
Please help me. I have nothing to eat, nothing to drink. I have been starving for a few days.
We're the same. I'm jobless. I don't know where to go. But here, you can have my biscuit. I guess you need this more than I do. Thank you. God bless you.
Ate! I just want to remind you my field trip is in 2 days and I haven't still paid the fee.
Yes, I'll promise you tomorrow.
Thank you, Ate! You're the best!
Ate, I also need the money for tuition. Since action is just around the corner.
How much do you need?
At least 1,500, Ate.
Okay, I will give it to you as soon as possible. But for now, focus on reviewing.
Yes, Ate. I promise to ace this test for you.
Oh, now, you're here na pala. Here's our monthly bill. We have already recharged you late.
Can we extend it
No,
today?
we already extended last time.
Okay. I'll send it away.
Minsan sa may kalayaan tayo'y nagkatagpuan. May mga sariling gimik at kanya-kanyang hangad sa buhay. Sa ilalim ng isang bubong, mga sikretong ibinubulong. Kahit na anong mangyari, kahit na saan ka man patungo.
I miss you, okay?
Yes, of course.
Everything's going to be okay. Here's what I'm doing. Yes. Good morning, officer. I want to report this wallet. I found this wallet in the chapel and I want to return it back.
Thank you for reporting this as soon as possible. We will get the owner. Just sit down for a moment. Go get the laptop working.
Got it, partner.
Who's the person who found my wallet?
She is the person who found your wallet. Here's your wallet, miss.
Thank you for finding my wallet. There's so many important IDs in here.
It's my pleasure. You're welcome.
Here's some reward.
No, thank you. It's okay.
No, take this.
Thank you so much. This means a lot to me.
Oh, it's you pala, anak.
Hi, Ma. I have the money for our financial. Can you give Sutara for her field trip and Bethany for her tuition? And the rest of it for our bills.
Oh, thank you, nak. Mabuti naman.
Sorry po, natagalan.
Okay lang yan.
Just always remember, everything will be alright in the right time.
You are mine!
Nakalak!
Kulang na to.
Amo na. Kuya
You have to leave before.